Hey guys, this is my United Recruit, and I'm going to tell you all about it. The rims, red spokes, they're Sunday. The one that I said that was all stupid because it looked all red, so I changed it. And the forks are Sims. The seat, I don't even know what kind it is. The grips, I don't know. The bars came with, the bars came with the bike. And I don't know where my cranks went. They kept falling off when I put them on. I don't even know where they went. My dog ate them or something. And yeah, it's only a lay around bike. It's laying there and stuff, and I barely use it. Yeah, alright, bye. Subscribe.